Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Preparing for compliance audits and inspections. Preparing for compliance audits and inspections is a critical component for HR professionals, particularly those aiming to master the PHRca certification. This process is essential to ensure that organizations adhere to the myriad of regulations governing employment practices in California. Being well prepared for these audits and inspections can mitigate risks, enhance operational efficiency, and foster a culture of compliance within the organization. Understanding the regulatory landscape is the first and foremost step in preparing for compliance audits. California's employment laws are among the most stringent in the United States, encompassing a broad spectrum of requirements from wage and hour laws to anti-discrimination statutes. For instance, the California Fair Employment and Housing Act mandates comprehensive anti-discrimination measures, while the California Labor Code enforces strict wage and hour regulations. Familiarity with these regulations is not just advantageous, but necessary for HR professionals. Systematic documentation is the backbone of audit preparedness. The maintenance of accurate, up-to-date records cannot be overstated. This includes employee files, payroll records, and documentation of workplace policies and procedures. The California Labor Code requires employers to keep payroll records for at least 3 years and personnel files for no less than 2 years following an employee's termination. Ensuring these records are meticulously kept and readily accessible is essential. Furthermore, electronic record-keeping systems can enhance efficiency and accuracy, providing swift access to necessary documents during an audit. Training and education of the workforce, particularly HR personnel and managers, form another crucial pillar in preparing for compliance audits. Regular training sessions on regulatory changes and best practices are imperative. For example, updates to the California Consumer Privacy Act necessitate periodic training to ensure that employees handling personal data are compliant with the latest requirements. Knowledgeable staff can promptly identify and address potential compliance issues, thereby preventing them from escalating into significant problems. Conducting internal audits serves as a proactive measure to ensure compliance. Internal audits provide a snapshot of the organization's current compliance status and highlight areas needing improvement. These audits should be thorough, encompassing all aspects of employment law compliance, from wage and hour practices to health and safety regulations. For example, regular reviews of payroll processes can help identify discrepancies in wage payments, ensuring compliance with California's strict wage and hour laws. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, businesses that conduct regular internal audits tend to have fewer compliance issues and are better prepared for external audits. Engaging with external auditors can provide an additional layer of assurance. External auditors bring an objective perspective and can identify compliance issues that internal teams might overlook. Their expertise can be particularly valuable in complex areas such as tax compliance and benefits administration. A study published in the Journal of Accounting and Economics highlights that organizations utilizing external auditors for compliance assessments experience significantly fewer regulatory penalties. Communication with regulatory agencies before, during, and after audits is also vital. Establishing a rapport with agency representatives can facilitate smoother audit processes. Clear and open communication can help demystify regulatory expectations and provide insights into best practices. For instance, the California Division of Labor Standards Enforcement offers resources and guidance that can aid in understanding and meeting compliance requirements. During an audit, prompt and accurate responses to agency queries can expedite the process and demonstrate the organization's commitment to compliance. Developing a robust response plan for audit findings is another essential aspect. Not all audits will be flawless, and being prepared to address identified issues promptly is crucial. This involves not only rectifying the specific issues highlighted, but also implementing measures to prevent their recurrence. For example, if an audit identifies deficiencies in overtime pay calculations, the organization should correct the miscalculations and review its payroll processes to ensure future compliance. According to a report by the Society for Human Resource Management, organizations that develop and implement comprehensive corrective action plans are more successful in maintaining long-term compliance. Incorporating technology into compliance management can significantly enhance audit preparedness. Compliance management software can streamline processes, reduce human error, and provide real-time updates on regulatory changes. These tools can automate record-keeping, track employee training, and generate compliance reports, thus facilitating a more efficient audit process. A review in the Harvard Business Review suggests that organizations leveraging technology for compliance management report higher efficiency and accuracy in their compliance processes. Pawing. The role of leadership in fostering a culture of compliance cannot be overlooked. Leadership commitment to compliance sets the tone for the entire organization. Leaders should actively promote the importance of compliance, allocate resources for compliance initiatives, and lead by example. A culture of compliance is more likely to thrive in organizations where leadership is visibly committed to upholding regulatory standards. Research published in the Journal of Business Ethics indicates that leadership commitment to compliance is strongly correlated with higher levels of organizational compliance. In summary, preparing for compliance audits and inspections involves a multifaceted approach that includes understanding the regulatory landscape, maintaining systematic documentation, training the workforce, conducting internal audits, engaging with external auditors, communicating effectively with regulatory agencies, developing robust response plans, incorporating technology, and fostering leadership commitment. Each of these elements plays a critical role in ensuring that organizations not only meet regulatory requirements, but also cultivate a culture of compliance that can withstand the scrutiny of audits and inspections. As HR professionals aim to master the PHRca certification, these strategies will be instrumental in navigating the complexities of California's regulatory environment. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.